taping it.
Hey, Spencer and Holly, why don't you guys get in the video too?
Okay, there. Oh wait, what? Hi.
Over here. Wait.
What's the big mover? Ooh.
That's the second
No,
time.
I'll have one. Can I keep? I'll have this one.
Better not destroy it.
Yay. I'll
Yeah,
have some.
they like the styrofoam better.
Okay, sit down.
Oh, I have 3 pieces. Thanks. Thank you, Kayla.
Oh. That is.
You know, Michaela can read. I'm just gonna go read it now. I don't think your mom may be happy if we let you read that.
I'll be right back.
You come over here and show the whole box.
Look at all those books.
And the inside.
I don't care for those. I don't care. What are these from? Ah!
Holly.
Ow.
Okay, you turn up.